Hey MW friends! So, I haven't worn, like huge polo shirts like this for a long time, but I remembered wearing this when I was in college or when I was a fresh grad. So the reason why I'm wearing this because I will be doing a makeup tutorial related to probably college students or those who are fresh grads kasi medyo pa-summer na rin tayo or pag-graduating season na tayo. I'll be creating a very simple makeup for young adults and young at heart. So I hope you'll enjoy watching this and see ya!
Could swear it's been 700 degrees in here since you came in. I could swear that this room has been running out of air and now it's starting to spin. You make me feel kinda bad, kinda good, kinda everything, yet it doesn't feel like it should. You make me feel kinda wrong, kinda right, kinda anything, and I would change it if I could. Swear that I'm fainting, I think I'm losing my sight, I swear I'm hitting the floor. I could swear that my stomach just sunk a meter, I'll be dead if I take any more. You make me feel kinda bad, kinda good, kinda everything, yet it doesn't feel like it should. You make me feel kinda wrong, kinda right, kinda anything, and I would change it if I could.
guys, I turned it back to regular cell phone camera for you to see the effect because not every day we have HD. So the reason why I want to tell you a little bit of feedback about these products, because this is a first for me to try Crayons product, and I am very impressed, number one, with their BB cream. This is in shade Natural. They have other shade, but this works so well for me even with dry skin, which most youngsters don't have, so obviously I'm faking it. But even with dry skin or oily skin, it gives off a mattified effect. So as you can see, I did not use any face powder to set everything. At the same time, I'm also loving the contour and highlight stick, which nabaligtad ko yung takip, but they still look good. So these sticks are great because, you know, I know contouring and highlighting on a daily basis could be too much for you guys, but because it's selfie nation and it's 2020, like everything are in videos and photos, so having chiseled cheeks and face will really matter, or it really helps. And also impressed with these two cheek powder, how do you call it? One is in Soft Glow, which I use on my eye, and another one which is Blooming on my cheeks. Both looks very shocking on pan, but when applied on cheeks and eyes, as you can see, it looks super natural and fresh looking. So overall, I will keep on using these products. The lip product feels so lightweight on the lips, which is really good. I'll wear this and we'll update you guys soon. So thank you so much for watching my college look, kaya may ribbon guys, and I hope you learned something from me. Thank you and have a great day. Bye!